Hey folks, this is W from WD Homesteading here in South Central Pennsylvania. And Dee's getting into a project today. And what is it, Dee?
My brother gave us a bunch of deer meat, and so I'm taking all the roast and I'm making deer jerky out of it.
Oh yeah.
First, I use the slicer and I slice it, and it's thin. And I'll cut this in half so it's not so big. Then I will take and I put it in a whole bunch of spices. Let me get this thing out.
That is a bunch.
Here it is. Soy sauce, teriyaki sauce, Worcestershire sauce, ketchup, onion salt, garlic salt, salt, pepper, crushed red peppers, brown sugar, and liquid smoke. And I'll put that all in a bowl. That's some of it. Stir it around, and I'll let it sit for about 24 hours at least. Next thing I do before I soak it is I cut it in smaller pieces so that they're not so big to try and dry. And then I will pour my stuff over top of it. I'll put a couple layers in this. This will be my first layer. It has the ketchup. Didn't want to
Dissolve a little.
Yeah, all the way. So, and I'll make sure it's covered good.
How long does it sit, Dee?
It has to sit at least 24 hours. Well, that's what I let it sit. I don't, it's no guess thing, but it's got to sit a while for it to soak the stuff up in. And then I'll put the next layer onto it. Okay, I am finishing up putting all the stuff on, and now I will make sure everything's under the stuff. And then I put saran wrap on it because you do not want to put it in the refrigerator without doing that. It will smell your refrigerator up because this stuff smells the whole house up. So you put it in the saran wrap and you put it in the refrigerator, and that's about all you have to do. Okay, it's the next morning. It's been sitting for almost 24 hours, and then I just take it off and I will fill up a tray. I try not to get any of the hot peppers on it when I'm doing it. And it looks a little disgusting, but it dries good.
And we're going to have an awesome snack later on.
It takes about 8 to 10 hours for it to dry. Maybe not. It depends on how thick it is.
And really, it's not that thick. We've had thicker.
Well, some of it is, but...
So you think we'll get almost all the trays filled?
All the trays will be filled and then some.
Okay. I'll help Dee put these in the Excalibur. Is that what it's called?
Yeah.
Excalibur machine over here. Dehydrator, which is an awesome machine. We're not a paid sponsor, but I wanted to brag on it anyhow. Okay, folks, here we have it. We didn't quite get a full load, but we got 7 trays, excuse me. And that's what it looks like. Oh boy, is it ever going to be good? And Dee's going to put the cover on it. And I already checked out the temperature. It's on the highest setting of 165 degrees. So she's going to put the cover on. And then she's going to set it. In about 8-9 hours, we're going to have a delicious snack. Excalibur food dehydrator. And I wanted to say, you can do just about any kind of meat in here. My wife's mom did flattened deer burger with hot peppers and all the stuff that she put in this jerky. So you can do a lot of different combinations of meat. All right, we'll show you the finished product. Okay, Dee, how much do we have?
We have over a pound that wasn't eaten as I was taking it out. Everybody was grabbing it. It's a gallon bag. And I don't know how long it'll last because they just...
Yeah, because look what I do. I sneak in here and I get a piece, and my wife allows me because she knows how good it is. It won't last long. It probably won't even make it to Friday, to be honest with you. But it's so good.
Next Friday?
No, this Friday.
I hope next Friday.
Okay, so maybe she's going to put a little lemon on me, but it is so good. So this what works for us for jerky, and you can make your own too. It's that easy. Okay, folks. Good day.